Hi and welcome back to Statistics for Educational Research. For today's session, we are going to tackle about collection of data and research instruments. Let us first discuss the classification of data. We have primary data and secondary data. Primary data are gathered from the primary or original sources and first-hand experiences like people, organized groups, established practices and systems, constitution and laws, non-human living organisms, man-made material things, and natural objects and phenomena. While secondary data are gathered from the secondary sources like books, published articles, manuscripts, and all other second-hand sources, among which are hearsays, rumors, and etc. The instruments or tools in collecting data. We have clerical tools and mechanical tools. Clerical tools include questionnaire, interview, observation, registration, test, experiment, and library. Then we have mechanical tools, which include laboratory tools and equipment used in research in the laboratories in the psychological, medical, chemical, biological, and physical sciences, as well as in agricultural and non-agricultural industries. The choice of the instruments depends upon some factors such as the nature of the research problem, the literacy level of the study population, the cost of the survey, and the time factor. So what are the characteristics of a good research instrument? The instrument must be valid and reliable. The instrument must be based upon the conceptual framework. The instrument must gather data that would test the hypothesis or answer the questions or problems under investigation. The instrument must be as objective as possible. The questions should be unequivocal or has only one interpretation. The directions to accomplish the instrument must be very clear and definite. If the instrument is a mechanical device, it must be of the best brand and the latest design. The instrument must be accompanied by a good cover letter. The instrument must be accompanied by a sponsor's letter. And the instrument must gather data that are relevant to the problem under investigation. Now let us proceed to your individual task. Your task is to identify and describe the different research instruments. Select the research instrument that you believe is the most appropriate to use for your capsule research and discuss the following: advantages of the instrument, disadvantages of the instrument, and cite why it is the most appropriate to your study. And create or formulate a sample of the chosen research instrument to answer your identified problems indicated in your statement of the problem. Present your output in a PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for listening. Until next session. For further study and reading, here are the references.